Guys, this channel is about architecture, so why are we talking about making pancakes from scratch? Because cooking and baking in a way that's healthy seems architectural to me. It's hard to explain. Then again, are you like me and tend to think that a lot of things relate to architecture? And by the way, these pancakes taste great. I suggest starting off with whole wheat flour and using a pinch of baking soda and baking powder, but make sure that the baking powder says aluminum free on the container. Otherwise, whatever we make gets a metallic, bad taste. And remember not to overmix the batter. Lumps are okay in it. We don't want to beat all the air out of it because then the pancakes won't be fluffy. In addition to the whole wheat flour being healthier than white flour, try and use a cast iron pan which holds heat really well and has no artificial coatings on it which are dangerous. And also keep the flame low because high temperatures, even with avocado oil, for example, can produce dangerous compounds when the oil is overheated. And it should go without saying, please only use 100% real maple syrup. It's healthy and tastes great. If you enjoyed watching this is Randolph's Rants. Please subscribe and like. And yes, this is a channel about architecture. Please join us on our next architectural adventure, wherever that leads us.